when you go to start a job and your pump decides to take a crap on you, and of course you have them sitting at the yard as backups for the others, but you typically don't have the backup for yourself because you never need it, you adapt. Nick's got a bucket and I've got a pitchfork. We're gonna get this thing emptied out the best we can. So we're back at job we just did a little bit on Friday. It's actually, look at that, sunny sky. It's not raining. It's supposed to rain in another day or so, but the guys got this project dug out and then ran to finish the cleanup at one you probably just saw a video of for the college. So take a look here. So we got the old pond out, which was loaded with sediment and debris from 20 plus years. They got this area dug out. I'm gonna get the very bottom leveled out. John has got our liner there. I've got underlayment. Angelo is bringing in all the boulders. We are gonna get this part set in the next hour, and then we're gonna start rocking this in. We're gonna move along on this one because we got a lot of stuff going on. Because I've got it started. I've got my tunnel there. I'm gonna put some boulders on the top on both sides, hold our water feature in on each side so they'll have multiple tiers that go back over to there and cascade and drop down into here. But then he can still have his train set that go all around behind the sheds, all around, all the way over here, all the way down, all the way back and across. And then once he has that, he'll be able to expand on this. So let's see what we can put together.